Okay, so I thought you know what would be cool to celebrate the new year? A dragon phone cover. Because who doesn't like custom phone covers, right? I was a bit indecisive. No surprise there. But anyway, I'm drawing out the designs to try and satisfy the critic in my head. I've always favored the more reptilian-looking dragons, but I think I should try some fluff just to broaden the options. I actually like the tiger nose. Maybe I'll just try to combine the two faces. I haven't drawn in a while, hence the eraser being my friend throughout this sketch. Luckily, I can edit most of that out. I think I like it, so time to start sculpting. I'm using my old glass chessboard because then I can bake it without having to remove the sculpture first. Just smacking on some clay. Don't have them fancy pasta maker some artists use for polymer clay. Just rolling out the clay. And some more rolling. And more rolling. Slicing. Time for the detail. For the background, I really wanted to add some mountains. Where there are mountains, there are clouds. This is just a very strange moon. Planet, giant orb in the sky. Just adding in more details. Okay, so I'd like a white dragon to contrast the dark background. Literally making a fantasy noodle. Honestly, don't have a lot of experience with polymer sculptures. I think I've only done a handful so far. It's a bit of a challenge. Looks a bit odd. But if there is one thing I've learned about art, it's that you should just keep going, even if it looks like a hairless poodle. Trying to make him look more angry and fierce. Why is the nose always an issue to get right? I've spent over an hour struggling with the snoot. You can't really call this hair, but I like the look of it, so it's what I'm going with. The scales are the funnest part. It's just so satisfying. Let's give this dragon an eye. For texture, I'm just adding tiny circles in the face, making it look more scaly. And obviously he needs teeth.
Boss, I think you set the oven too high. I am a master of the baking. Watch.
So it baked a little bit too long. I don't know if you can tell, but the white clay turned like a light brown cream color. Anyway, this is the cover I'll be attaching the dragon to. I'm using contact adhesive because it's strong and flexible. Waiting for it to dry. Just a quick trim around the edges. Time to paint. I just have to add a base coat of white on the dragon. I want to add gold leaf to the background, so I'm brushing on some gold here and there to add to the aesthetic. This is the first time I'll be using gold leaf, kinda nervous. Let's see if I made a mess or not. It is done.